Good evening. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Uh, Govind, Prasanna, Shamala, Sai, Rahul, Swati Singh, Lakshman, Prudvi, Balu, Bhumika, B. Simon, B. Nagendra. Okay, still joining. Prasanna Hani, Dinesh, Rahul Dasari, Kanish, Telugu songs, Sadvika, Sai Pavan, right, Kirtana, Faru, Srikanth Chebrol. After a long time, where had you been, Chebrol? Shankar Narayana, welcome. Dinesh, Nagalakshmi. Okay, you are Fayaz. Okay, welcome, welcome. Ravindra Rao, Mahankali, Swati Singh, Bhumika. Right. Sai Kiran. Okay, enough Ganesh. Shashank. Fine, fine. Fine. Fayaz, fine. Okay. Dinesh. Balu. Right. Rekha Revati. You are new. You are new. Okay. Because yesterday actually I checked all the syllabus. Still I need to complete 5 or 6 chapters. That's why I started this session. At least some part of the syllabus may be completed before going to appear for your examinations. Okay, good, Dinesh. Sudha Ganeri, Panindra, Shamala. Okay, if you continue the actually session, you need to stay till the completion of last bit, because each and every bit plays minor role or major role in the examination. Tirupati, Panindra Kumar. Yes, yes, I had. Pramila, Swati. Okay, still we have 7 minutes of time. Monica, you are new. Any new viewers are there? Like, subscribe, and share. Okay. So now you need to share to your friends too. Thank you, Telugu songs. Bhumika, Sham, Bejunki. Watching offline, okay? Offline. I'm from Hyderabad. Jyotis, Sai Lakshmi. See, you need to revise total my playlist also. So most of the videos are available. So once again you go through it, because still you have a lot of time for the examination. Better go through the previous videos also. Once again watch the previous videos and check your notes. And you need to maintain formula book also, that will be better for each chapter. Okay, Akash, Jyoti, Sai Lakshmi. Okay, Balu. Panindra Kumar, I need to wait because so many regular viewers are there. Our schedule, it is scheduled to be 4:30. Now it's 4:25 itself only. So to discuss, to interact for a while with you, just I started 10 minutes before. Vivek Reddy, Sanjeev Reddy. Okay, I might have come to your school. Okay. But you are not attending regularly, I think so, Sanjeev Reddy. Right. Definitely, definitely. So otherwise, why should I take the class? It will be useful all sorts of entrance examination. Not only for Eamcet, it will be useful for your further also. What I say, that is correct. It will be very useful bits. I don't have the idea, Rakesh Munta. Still very okay. Recently, already uploaded more than 150 videos on Eamcet, Mr. Vivek Reddy. What is about Telugu songs? What do you want to say? Definitely useful. Soy Kiran. Exactly 4:30 our schedule will begin. Okay. So Balu, still one episode is there. Still one episode is there. Tomorrow we shall complete it. Lokesh. No reply. I got in Eamcet 8000 rank. But why did you attend again the classes, Lokesh? What is the necessary? Lucky Rishi. So after classes, actually when I start the classes, I don't speak anything because only related to the subject we need to chart. Don't be personal. So JNTU or CBIT. JNTU is the best, obviously. JNTU is the best. Otherwise, Usmania campus or university, other, even Kakatiya. Okay. I don't have the idea, Teja Sanjeev, it may be. But moreover, all the examinations will be conducted. They may not be cancelled. Please do remember. But means you keep on going on practicing all these examinations, whether it may be JEE means or any set examination. Vaishnavi. Bhagyalakshmi Mavidipalli after a long time. I think you are waiting for only vectors, but not for all chapters. I am from Hyderabad, Srija Patnaik. I think you are from Srikakulam. Am I correct? Or Vizag? Already uploaded most of the second year chapters. You might have not actually visited. You go through the playlist. You will find all second year chapters. Thank you. Let us start. Let us start. Okay, let us start our chapter now today. about third year. Okay, exactly correct. 16th question. 16th question. Absolutely correct. Thank you for reminding me. Hyperbola. This is part 2. Only 2 parts. In this part, we will complete this chapter. The chapter will be completed. Okay. 16th question. The equation of the rectangular hyperbola thank you, hyperbola with foci on x-axis such that the hyperbola passes through the point minus 5, 4 is first option x square minus y square equals to 41. Second option x square minus y square equals to 25. Third option x square minus y square equals to 9. Fourth, x square minus y square equals to minus 9. This is the question. Right now, the equation of the rectangular hyperbola with foci on x-axis such that the hyperbola passes through the minus 5, 4. So that means the equation of the rectangular hyperbola, the form of the rectangular hyperbola is x square minus y square is equal to a square. If it is x square minus y square is equal to a square, the axis, transverse axis lies on x-axis, foci lies on x-axis. So that means actually solution, equation of required rectangular hyperbola is x square minus y square is equal to a square. We need to find out a. But it passes through which point? Minus 5, 4. It passes through minus 5, 4. So substituting now a square is equal to, we get minus 5 square 25 minus 16, that will be 9. So therefore required equation is x square minus y square equals to 9, which is the rectangular hyperbola whose foci lies on x-axis. Yes, option 3 is the right option. Now you can check it now, all of you. Check the answer. Correct? Is it correct? Not option 2. Option 2 is wrong. Option 3. Right. Seventeenth question. 17th question. The equation of the hyperbola passing through the point passing through the point 4, 6 and whose asymptotes are y equals to plus or minus root 3x is first option 3x square minus y square equals to 12. Second, 3x square minus y square equals to minus 12. Third one, 3x square minus y square equals to 3. Third option, 3x square minus y square equals to 4. Now first let me read the question. The equation of the hyperbola passing through the point 4, 6 whose asymptotes are given by y is equal to plus or minus root 3x. That means asymptotes of the hyperbola are given. Now we need to find out the equation of the hyperbola using the specific condition. So what are the specific condition? It passes through the 4, 6. So that means first of all check option R. Yes. This is 3, this will be 4. Right. Equation of the hyperbola passing through 4, 6 whose asymptotes are y equals to plus or minus root 3x. 17th. Equations of asymptotes are y is equal to plus or minus root 3x. We can write like this: root 3x plus y equals to 0. Another one is root 3x minus y equals to 0. Am I correct now? Now the combined equation of these two find out, because these two are the straight lines. Pair of straight lines we need to find out. So now the combined equation of asymptotes. Combined equation of asymptotes is, in pair of straight lines we have studied, that is nothing but product of these two equations. So if you multiply these two equations, we get 3x square minus y square equals to 0. Say equation 1. Since combined equation of asymptotes and hyperbola are just differ by the constant itself only. Therefore, we can write now equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola can be taken as 3x square minus y square equal to k. Just differ by the constant. Here constant is 0, any constant, say k. This is equation 2. Since it passes through the point What is the point? 4 comma 6. So let us substitute 4 comma 6 here. So that means k equals to, we get 3 times x square. 4 square is 16 minus y square is 6 square. 48 minus 36. So whose value is 12. So therefore now equation of the hyperbola is 3x square minus y square equal to 12. This is the answer. This is the answer. Right. First option. Otherwise you can check the options also. Substitute 4 comma 6 which is satisfied, that is the answer. Only for example, substitute 4 comma 6 in the first option. What will happen? You see, 3 into 16 minus 36. 48 minus 36 equals to 12. So that means first option is the right option. So simple method. You can say very fast manner you can do it now. But sometimes whenever more than 2 options will be satisfied, then we need to do the method. So this method you need to do it. Now 18th one. 18th. The polar of any point, the polar of any point on asymptote polar of any point on the asymptote of a hyperbola with respect to the hyperbola is parallel to first option, axis of hyperbola, that means x-axis. Second, that asymptote, the same asymptote, parallel to the same asymptote. Third, parallel to other asymptote, P silent, asymptote. Fourth is none. So Panindra Kumar, just you have entered, why should you ask that question? Swati Singh, don't give the answer, please. Is it necessary? Right. Polar of any point on the asymptote of the hyperbola with respect to the hyperbola is parallel to. So that means first of all, let the equation of the hyperbola, hyperbola be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now equations of the asymptotes write down. Equation of asymptote. Equation of asymptote. Generally the equation of asymptotes are x by a plus y by b equals to 0. Another one is x by a minus y by b equals to 1. For example, consider this one. So this can be written like this. Equation of asymptote is y equals to, we can write b by ax from this one of the asymptote. Okay. So let p of x1 comma y1 be a point on it. Okay, now next polar of, here write down polar of p with respect to s is equal to 0. That is s1 equals to 0. xx1 upon a square minus yy1 upon b square equal to x1 square upon a square minus y1 square upon b square. Now what we need to do it now? So the polar of any point on the asymptote is parallel to, that means actually slope of this line you need to find out. Say this is equation 2, say this will be equation 1. Now slope of 2 find out. Slope of 2 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is equal to what now? Minus x1 upon a square. Here this will be minus y1 upon b square, you can write. Minus minus gets cancelled. We have x1 upon a square into b square upon y1. Okay. So here we can write this equals to now x1 upon a square into b square upon y1 means actually this point lies on this curve. y1 equals to b1 by x1. This we can write b by a x1. x1 gets cancelled. This we can write 1 by a square into ab square by b. So a gets cancelled. We have b by a. See, b by a is nothing but slope of this line only. That means polar is parallel to 1 only. That means same asymptote. So what is there to understand this problem? Very simple. First polar of p find out, slope find out. Slope is b by a. Slope of asymptote is also b by a. That means polar of p which lies on one of the asymptote is parallel to the same asymptote itself. So that is the concept here. Same asymptote. Right. 19. If E and F are eccentricities of the hyperbolas x square minus y square is equal to a square and xy is equal to c square, xy is equal to c square respectively, then e square plus f square equals to first option 2, second option 8, third option 16, fourth option 4. This is the question. See, E and F are the eccentricities of the hyperbolas x square minus y square is equal to a square, xy is equal to c square respectively. Then we need to find out e square plus f square. That means both represent the rectangular hyperbolas only. X square minus y square is equal to a square and xy is equal to c square. Both are rectangular hyperbolas. If both are rectangular hyperbolas, their eccentricities are given by root 2 itself only. E is equal to root 2, f is equal to root 2. Then we need to find out e square plus f square. It's very simple. Now the solution. Since both are rectangular hyperbolas, E is equal to f is equal to root 2. Therefore, e square plus f square, root 2 square plus root 2 square. We get 2 plus 2, whose value is 4. This is the answer. Fourth option is the right option. Twentieth question. Angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y equal to 0 is first option tan inverse 3, second option tan inverse 2, third option tan inverse 1 upon 3, fourth option tan inverse 1 upon 2. This is the question. Right. Angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola. This is the hyperbola. We know that, see, the combined equation of the asymptote and the equation of the hyperbola just differ by the constant itself only. That means the combined equation of the asymptotes or equations of the asymptotes are given by x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. What we need to find out? Generally, the equations of asymptotes represents pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means already in pair of straight lines we have studied how to find out tan theta value. Tan theta is equal to, we have the formula 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b, mod of a plus b or a plus b. So that means angle between the pair of straight lines we need to find out. So now the solution, write down. Equation of the asymptotes is x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Just differ by the constant only. It represents a pair of straight line. We need to find out tan theta value. See, in order to find out tan theta, just this is enough. This part is enough. Because a value, h value, b value. See, here a equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. A is 1, 2h is 3, b is 2. Now the angle between the pair of straight lines is theta. Tan theta is given by 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus b. So mod of a plus b, write down, no problem. This is 2 root of h value we need to substitute. H is 3 upon 2, h square is 9 upon 4 minus ab, 1 into 2, 2 by a plus b. A plus b is 3. So now this will be 9 minus 8 by 1 upon 4, root upon 4 means 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. We have 1 by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. This is the required answer. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. First 21. Question number 21. Murthy. The equation of the asymptote of the hyperbola x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y equals to 0 is. First option, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Second, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Third option, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Fourth, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Right. The equation of the asymptotes or asymptote, combined equation of asymptotes of the hyperbola x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. We need to find out. Already we know that it is obvious that the equation of the asymptote is differ by the constant. Just we need to find out the constant. Rest of the thing is same. X square term, xy term, y square term, x term, y term will be same in all options. Only the differ by the constant. We need to find out the constant. Option number 1. Okay, let us see. So now the equation of the asymptote of the hyperbola is 21st solution. 21st solution. See, equation of the asymptote is given by x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus k equals to 0. Say equation 1. It represents a pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means delta should be 0. So I have one super shortcut. Don't say super, now shortcut. Let me explain the shortcut. So delta means ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus C square is equal to 0. That I will write in this way. Simple ABCDs. ABC, FGH, FGH write down. What is A here? A is actually 1. B is how much? 2. K, C is K. F means half of the coefficient of y, 3 upon 2. G is 1. H also 3 upon 2. Repeat, 3 upon 2, 1, 3 upon 2. So now what we need to do means here, first product of the elements of the rows, 2k plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to sum of the product of the columns, that is 3 by 4 plus 2 plus 3 by 4k or 3k by 4. This 3 by 4 gets cancelled. Now here you see 2k minus 3k by 4 equal to 2 minus 3 by 4. This will be 5k by 4 equal to 5 by 4. So obviously k equals to 1. So therefore required equation is x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Panindra Kumar, now verify your answer. I didn't apply determinant anything, nothing here. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Right. Twenty second. Equation of the hyperbola conjugate to equation of the hyperbola conjugate to x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y equals to 0 is first option x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Second, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Third, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, see, you watch my pair of straight line chapter. In pair of straight line chapter, I already discussed that shortcut. But actually, I am not exaggerating myself. You won't find such shortcut anywhere. So you cannot find even any textbooks also, in any YouTube channel also. That will be different shortcut. Fourth one, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I will explain once again. You see. See, for delta is equal to 0, I will write like this: A, B, C, F, G, H, F, G, H. See, first find out product of the first row. A, B, C plus product of the second row, F, G, H, product of the third row, F, G, H, equal to product of the first column, AF square plus product of the second column, BG square, CH square. It is nothing but you bring this side, what do you get now? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0 itself only. That I have written in a simple manner. Okay, same thing need to be applied for this one also, so I have written this shortcut. Second, equation of the given hyperbola. Say h equals to x square plus 3xy plus y square plus 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Say equation 1. So we need to find out h dash is equal to what? H dash is actually here conjugate hyperbola. But for that one actually we need to find out asymptote, equation of the asymptote. Just like in the previous case, asymptote is differ by the constant already evaluated in the previous case, that is actually 1 we have. Equation of the asymptote is given by x square plus 3xy plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. This is equation of the asymptote. Say 2. See, we have one concept. We have h plus h dash. That means hyperbola plus conjugate hyperbola gives us 2a. We need h dash. H dash is equal to 2a minus h. That means 2 times you need to multiply. 2x square plus 6xy plus 2y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 2. Okay. And minus h. Minus h means we need to subtract this one. X square minus 3xy minus 2y square minus 2x minus 3y equals to 0. Therefore, this is h dash equals to. Therefore, required equation is x square plus 3xy. This will be how much actually? See, we have, I did mistake, 2y square. This is y square only. This is y square only. Plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the conjugate hyperbola equation. Equation of the conjugate hyperbola. Fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Question number 23. Question number 23. If two tangents drawn from alpha comma beta, instead of x1 comma y1, alpha comma beta. Yes, second year. To the hyperbola x square upon 2 minus y square upon 3 equals to 1, make angles theta 1, theta 2 with transverse axis, major axis, that means just like x-axis, not major, sorry, transverse axis, such that tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equals to 2. Then beta square equals to. First of all, once again I emphasis on, first read the question carefully. Then start for your work, rough work. First option, 2 alpha square plus 7. Second option, 2 alpha square minus 5. Third option, 2 alpha square minus 7. 2 alpha square plus 5. Two tangents drawn from alpha comma beta to the hyperbola x square upon 2 minus y square upon 3 equals to 1. make angles theta 1, theta 2 with transverse axis, that means with x-axis, such that tan theta 1 times tan theta 2 equals to 2. Then beta square value we need to find out. 23rd. Let P of x1 comma y1 is the point of intersection of the tangents is given P of alpha comma beta. And here from hyperbola a square equals to 2, b square equals to 3. What is given? That means the angles made by the tangents with x-axis theta 1, theta 2 respectively. That means m1 equals to tan theta 1, m2 equals to tan theta 2. What is the condition given here? The given condition is tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equals to 2. That means you can write m1 into m2 is equal to 2. If P x1 comma y1 is the point of intersection of the tangents, now product of the slopes is given by product of the slopes. Product of the slopes. Product of the slopes. Product of the slopes is given by y1 square plus b square upon x1 square minus a square. So that implies now we can have y1. y1 stands for beta, x1 stands for alpha. We can write beta square plus b square. b square equals to 3 upon x1 square. x1 means alpha. Alpha square. A square means 2. Alpha square minus 2 equal to 2. Cross multiplication takes place. Beta square plus 3 equals to 2 alpha square minus 4. So beta square equals to 2 alpha square minus 4 minus 3. So therefore beta square equals to 2 alpha square minus 7. 2 alpha square minus 7. Third option is the correct option. Third option is the correct option. Yes, m1 into m2. Twenty-fourth problem. 24th problem. If the angle between the asymptotes the angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola is 30 degrees, then E equals to eccentricity equals to. This is very important question. It is very important question. First option root 6 minus root 2. Second option root 6 plus root 2. Third option root 3 minus 1. Fourth option root 3 plus 1. Right. So we have one important concept already we have discussed in the morning session. The eccentricity, sorry. So the angle between the asymptotes is given by the formula theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a or 2 secant inverse of e, where e is the eccentricity. So that means actually here this 30 degrees is theta. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. So we have theta is equal to 2 secant inverse e. This is a formula. So now the secant inverse e equals to theta by 2, 15 degrees. So e equals to secant 15 degrees. Secant 15 degrees means e equals to, we can write 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1, because cos 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by cos 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That's reciprocal. Reciprocal means 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize it. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So we get 2 root 2 times root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 2. 2 gets cancelled. Root 2 into root 3 root 6 minus root 2 into 1 root 2. Root 6 minus root 2 is the e value. First option is the right option. This is very important problem. So you need to remember. The same question may appear also sometimes. Question number 25. The asymptotes of hyperbola are x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. If hyperbola passes through 1 comma minus 1, then equation of hyperbola. Thank you sir, how are you? Thank you. Actually the Kosaranam Karunakar Reddy garu is the best mathematics teacher throughout Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Actually he is giving excellent to me. I shall be highly thankful to him. Equation of the hyperbola is, okay, first option x square minus y square plus x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Second, x square minus y square minus x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Third option, x square plus y square plus x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Fourth one is none. This is the question. Okay. Right. The asymptotes of hyperbola are x minus y equals to 0, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. If hyperbola passes through 1 comma minus 1, then we need to find out equation of the hyperbola. So that means as we know the asymptotes of the hyperbola, combined equation of the asymptotes of the hyperbola and hyperbola are differ by the constant only. So that means first combined equation of the asymptotes we need to find out. That is product of these two equations gives us the combined equation of the asymptotes. After that add k and substitute 1 comma minus 1 so that we get equation of the hyperbola. Twenty-fifth solution. Combined equation of asymptotes is given by okay, x minus y multiplied by L1 into L2 equals to 0. That's all. X plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Simply we can multiply. Wait. X minus y into x plus y is x square minus y square. X minus y into plus 1, x minus y. This is the combined equation of asymptotes. Now we need to find out both Jyotilakshmi. Now equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola is x square minus y square plus x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Say equation 2. Just differ by the constant only. As it passes through which point? 1 comma minus 1. So that means as it passes through 1 comma minus 1. Substituting 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus k equals to 0. So 1 gets cancelled. We have obviously k equals to minus 2. Now we can find out equation of the Sayyid Nisar Ahmad. We can find out equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola is x square minus y square plus x minus y minus 2 is equal to, this is the answer. What happened, Suma? Right, Balu. Right. Option 1, I will check it now. Yes, option 1. Twenty-sixth question. This is very interesting. 26th. Locus of point of intersection of intersection of locus of point of intersection of two lines passing through plus or minus a comma 0 and product of slopes is p constant, that is p less than 0 is. This is the question. Thank you, Bhumika. So now today is somewhat suffocating. First option is circle, second is parabola, third is ellipse, fourth is hyperbola. This is the question. First read the question, all of you. Don't worry, wait for just 5 minutes. We are going to complete whole chapter. Today I will extend 10 minutes also till the completion of this chapter. Today we will complete this chapter. That's why only I asked you to stay till the completion of the last problem. Locus of point of intersection of two lines passing through plus or minus a comma 0 whose product of the slopes is p. That means it is related to the straight lines. So for example, take the two lines like this. Two lines. Say this is the p point of intersection of the two lines x1 comma y1. Locus of p we need to find out. Understood now? Say it passes through point is a comma 0. Say other line is passing through minus a comma 0. So product of the slopes means first slope of PA, say m1, slope of PA line. Slope of PA means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y1 upon x1 minus a. M2, slope of second line, that is PB. So PB is equal to, what do you get now? Y1 upon x1 minus of minus a, x1 plus a. And what is given here? What is given? Here given that m1 into m2 equals to p given. That means you need to multiply these two. y1 upon x1 minus a multiplied by y1 upon x1 plus a. That we can write y1 square upon x1 square minus a square equal to p. This can be rewritten as like this: x1 square minus a square equals to y1 upon p. Bring this side. This can be written x1 square upon 1 minus y1 square upon p equal to a square. Now locus write down. Locus of p. Locus of p is x square upon 1 minus y square upon p equal to a square. Now what does it represent? What does it represent? What does it represent? Anybody? What is your answer? See the condition. What is the condition here? P is less than 0. P is less than 0 means P is negative. So already negative is there. Negative by negative it becomes positive. That's why it is an ellipse. Ellipse. For example, p greater than 0, it represents hyperbola. So our answer is ellipse since p less than 0. Not a hyperbola, it's a ellipse because p less than 0. Negative by negative becomes positive. Suma, check. I will come here. This is minus. P is less than 0. P negative. Negative by negative it becomes positive. That's why it is an ellipse. Question number 27. In a triangle ABC, the vertex A moves such that BC equal to A is fixed and tan of B by 2 upon tan of C by 2 equal to constant. Then locus of vertex A is locus of vertex A. First one circle, second ellipse, third parabola, fourth hyperbola. This is the question. In a triangle ABC, the vertex A moves such that BC is equal to A, fixed constant. Okay, no problem. And tan B by 2 upon tan C by 2 is equal to K. Then locus of vertex A we need to find out. This is the moving point. BC is equal to A. Tan of B by 2 by tan of C by 2 is equal to K. Then locus of the vertex A we need to find out. It's hyperbola. Let us see. 27. This is triangle ABC. Say A is the P point, moving point. Say B is also S, write down. This is C, S dash say. Just like fixed points, BC are fixed, say 4C, just like 4C, assume 4C. Opposite to vertex A, this is A, this is B, this is C. AB length is C, that means SP is equal to C, S dash P is equal to B, length. So now what is given actually here? Tan B by 2 upon tan C by 2 equal to K given. From properties of triangle, we know the tan of B by 2 formula. What is tan of B by 2 formula? S minus C, S minus A upon delta. Upon tan C by 2 is S minus A, S minus B upon delta equal to K. Delta cancel. So we get S minus, here S minus A also cancel. S minus C by S minus B equal to K by 1, write down. Apply CD rule. Apply componendo dividendo rule. CD rule. CD rule is very familiar. So we need to apply. So we get like this: s minus c plus s minus b upon s minus c minus s plus b equals to k plus 1 upon k minus 1. See what happens: s gets cancelled. Here 2s is a plus b plus c, so you get a value here, a upon this will be b minus c equal to k plus 1 upon k minus 1. Now b minus c write down. The difference between b minus c equals to a times k minus 1 by k plus 1. This is constant. B is nothing but s dash p minus c is nothing but sp is equal to, say, mod constant. See, if s dash has fixed point, p is the variable point, difference of the focal distances is constant, then locus of p is hyperbola. Yes, you are correct, absolutely correct. Hyperbola. Everybody is correct. Wonderful. Fourth option. (28) Understood this problem, all of you? Not good. Locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1, which are parallel to y is equal to mx plus c is right. First option, sorry, 1 minute. Y equals to a square upon b square m times x. Second, y equals to a upon b square times m x. Third, y is equal to a upon bm x. Fourth option, y equals to b square upon a square m of x. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Okay, leave Nana, all of you. Let them go to their hell. Because they are not useful for the society. Important. Okay. Locus of midpoints of chords of hyperbola which are parallel to y is equal to mx plus c. That means first we need to find out Let P x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of the chord. Next, we need to find out equation of the chord, that will be S1 is equal to S11. The slope of that line we need to find out, equated to y is equal to mx plus c slope, that is m. Then the locus of x1 comma y1 we need to find out, and we need to remember this one as the result. This result or shortcut we are going to derive, establish the shortcut. That shortcut you need to use for the previous problem, coming problems, forthcoming problems, right? Okay, 28th. Required equation is S1 is equal to S11. That you can write like this: xx1 by a square minus yy1 by b square equals to x1 upon a square minus y1 square upon b square. Am I correct? Right. Now slope of the chord write down. This is the chord equation. This is the chord. Slope of the chord. Slope of the chord whose middle point is x1 comma y1. Since it is parallel to y is equal to mx plus c, this will be equal to m. So slope of the chord means minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So you get now this one is x1 upon a square upon, we get y1 upon b square equal to m. This we can write x1 square upon a square equal to y1 times m upon y1 sorry, x1, this is x1, right? y1 m times by b square. Let us find out y1. y1 equals to b square of m a square or a square m of x1. Therefore locus of p x1 comma y1 is y equals to b square upon a square m of x. This is the Narla Venkateshwarlu. For a long time, where had you been? The locus of the midpoints of the chords of the hyperbola which are parallel to y is equal to mx plus c is y equals to b square upon a square m x. This you need to remember. Please note down this one. Fourth option. Now last problem of the day, 29th problem, and this is hyperbola is over. Locus of the midpoints of chords of hyperbola x square upon 5 minus y square upon 4 equals to 1, which are parallel to 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0 is. This is the application of the previous problem. Okay, He is not feeling well. Nala, take care. First option is 2x minus 5y equals to 0. Second, 5x minus 2y equals to 0. Third, 2x plus 5y equals to 0. Fourth, 5x plus 2y equals to 0. The previous problem. After a long time, Sai, what happened to you? See the previous problem. This formula we need to use. A square b square can be obtained from the hyperbola. M is the slope of the line. M is the slope of the line. So that means here y equals to b square upon a square m of x. This we need to use shortcut. This is the shortcut from 28 problem. We derived the shortcut. Now here a square equals to 5, b square equals to 4, m equals to slope of this line. So slope of this line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So 2. Therefore we get y equals to 4 upon 5 into 2 of x. 2 to ja. This will be 2x equal to 5y. 2x minus 5y equals to 0. This is the required answer. Option 1. Right. Which chapter shall I start tomorrow? Tell me. That's your choice. Now your choice. Which chapter shall I start? Huh? Nobody is responding. Probability, circles, vectors, okay. Circles, integration completed. Complex numbers, okay. Right. Okay, today we do one thing. I think one episode on parabola is there. One episode on parabola is there, and one episode on something is left over. Ellipse also. Both tomorrow we shall complete, and day after tomorrow definitely circles as well as probability. Okay, done. Probability and circles. Thank you. On 3rd onwards, we will start probability one session, circles other session. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.